New York City, a wide and expansive realm for all to explore. A place for people to expand their horizons and make their dreams come true. But New York can also be a tough and cruel place to live. If you're not careful, it'll swallow you up or leave you behind. So stick with me, and I'll show you not just how to cling on for dear life, but also how to make it in New York. To make it in New York, you gotta have a robust sense of self. And to dress fashionably, preferably in monochromatic or complementary colors. And you gotta have good hygiene so that people will wanna be around you. It's also important to be flexible, because when things don't go according to plan, sometimes that can get you down. So it's good to stay agile and limber so that you can take things on. It's also important to connect with yourself spiritually, so that you can stay grounded and remember what you came here for. And part of that is also remembering to be a good person by spreading good messages. And speaking of messages, New York City is a creative place full of ideas and opinions, so you should have some of your own.
But there is this idea that a lot of bad guys do actually finish first. So you look at somebody like Steve Jobs, right? He was somebody that had no friends. And in many ways, I think people are actually rewarded for being bad people.
I talked to this guy a long time, and he didn't seem to think that human nature is all that good. The city can be tough, but if you want to stick it out, the most important thing is friendship. Finding people you really click with. That's the key to making it in New York. It also